Okay, so yeah, here we are coming to the next step, that is step 3. Here we are implementing the sentiment analysis over the data that we have stored in the GCP MySQL. So here, Sushant will be demonstrating the sentiment analysis part where he have implemented the using two of the format. First is using the GCP NLP API, and the second one is the Hugging Face that he is implemented over the Python libraries. So going over to the architecture, here you can see the layout, which will be containing the step 3 phase. And now I will hand over to Sushant to demonstrate the further steps. Over to you, Sushant.
Thank you, Ashish. We will move forward toward the Google GCP MySQL Cloud, and here we will check from which database we have uh, gained the data to analyze the sentiments. Firstly, we have a table called hospital reviews, in which we have data for the various hospitals along with ratings and reviews. We have various attributes like review, time, and the hospital names. So we have done our sentiment analysis on the two various platforms. First is the Hugging Face model, which is a fine-tuned model on a hospital reviews, and one is the Google Cloud API of natural language. Now we will proceed toward the data prop. We will go to the batches, and under batches we will able to see the existing jobs. So as you see, there are two jobs that are already existing here. First is uh, NLP sentiment analysis. That is a local model which is used by the Hugging Face, and second is GCP NLP sentiment. As in the batch, we have run the script for the local model of sentiment analysis. We have successfully run the script and succeeded. Here we will show some output of this script. As you see, there are nearly 2000 record analyzed. We have gained the sentiments of the various datas of the review. Now we will go to the next part, that is the GCP part, in which we have analyzed multiple sentiments. As you see, we have stored this script also, and we have successfully run this script, and we have analyzed the same reviews with the GCP natural language API. So we will see the same 2000 record has been analyzed using GCP natural language API. Now, after successfully proceeding with the scripts, we have analyzed the sentiment using local model, using Hugging Face library, a fine-tuned model, that is a hospital on hospital reviews, and we have used Transformer for the local model script, and we have used Google Cloud Natural Language API to analyze the various sentiments. And here we got the comparison. We will quickly go to the output table. So our script has written in the table. So as we see, this is the GCP hospital sentiments. So we have analyzed all. As we can see, there are review attributes in which we are able to see multiple user have given the review for the hospital. And further in the next attribute, you can see there is a sentiment coming. And also the advantage of using GCP Google Cloud Natural Language API is we also got the sentiment score here. That is the added advantage for the cloud. Now we will proceed toward the local model analysis. As we have see, there is a non-cloud hospital sentiment table in which we are able to see the review. In review table, we are able to see multiple authors have given the reviews, and in the next column, as you see, there is sentiments over there in the sentiment column. So
Okay.
on the observation side, we have seen that Google Cloud Natural Language API has tend to given a more negative responses to the various reviews. That is more of the word sensitive, and you can say more trained and better model comes to as our observation. That's from my part. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू श्रीशांत. कर दे भाई स्टॉप.
हो गया भाई, ठीक था ना?